Good morning, dear children. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson, okay? A new lesson of EVS, and the lesson name means living and non-living thing. Very interesting lesson it is for you. Dear children, today's date is 21st of August 2020 and the day is Friday. Dear children, let's talk about you. Now, do you eat food? Yes or no? Yes. Do you eat fruits? Do you breathe? Breathe means क्या करते हैं? सांस लेना. Yes, like this. Do you move from one place to another? And one more important point is you are growing day by day. Yes or no? जब आप नर्सरी में थे तब आप कितने छोटे से थे? नाउ you are growing day by day and now you are in standard first. What is the meaning of this? You are growing day by day. So dear children, we see many things around us. Dear children, yes or no? Many things around us. For example, what? Trees, animals, birds, insects and many other things, toys. Yes or no? So dear children, many are what? Living things from that things and many are non-living things. Now dear children, here I wrote already many points about living thing and non-living thing. Dear children, living thing move. Yes or no? Living things move. You are going here and there. Yes or no? Daily you are going here and there, one place to another. Okay. You are breathing. Yes. So living things breathe. Living things breathe. We cannot live without air. That is the meaning of what? We are breathing. Now, we cannot live for a second without breathing. Living thing need food. Yes. Daily we eat food. Yes or no? Breakfast, then lunch, then dinner. Okay. Living things grow. You are growing day by day. Yes. We grows. Living thing reproduce. Living thing reproduce. Okay. Now first I explain you some points of non-living thing also. Non-living thing cannot move. Non-living thing cannot move. They cannot go here and there of its own. आपने कभी चेयर देखी है कि वो खुद ही से किसी रूम से दूसरे रूम में चली गई है आपके घर पे? No. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. जब तक आप उसको उठाएंगे नहीं, किसी दूसरी प्लेस पे नहीं रखेंगे, तब तक वो खुद से नहीं जाएगी. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. Non-living thing cannot breathe. कभी आपने देखा है कि टीवी, आपका जो टीवी चल रहा है वो कभी सांस ले रहा है? यस, देखा है आपने? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज टीवी ऑल्सो अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. टीवी में हम देखते हैं मेनी पिक्चर्स वी सी. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. यस और नो? डू नॉट. एंड टीवी के जब तक हम स्विच ऑन नहीं करेंगे तब तक हम उसको कुछ भी नहीं देख पाएंगे. हम लोग उसको क्या करते हैं? रिमोट कंट्रोल से लगाते हैं, तब उसको देख पाते हैं. नाउ नॉन लिविंग थिंग डू नॉट नीड फूड. यस और नो? कभी आपके पेंसिल ने आपको लिखते लिखते बोला है कि प्लीज लीव मी, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, अब तो मैं खाना खाऊंगी? नो. व्हाई? एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज पेंसिल इज what? Non-living thing. It cannot move, it cannot breathe, it cannot need food and it cannot grow also. Okay? जब हम इसको शार्प करते हैं तो वो छोटी छोटी होती है ना? थोड़ी ना कुछ बड़ी होती है क्या आपकी पेंसिल? छोटा लिया आपने पेंसिल कभी और वो बड़ी हुई आपने ऐसे देखा है क्या? नहीं. Why? Because your pencil is non-living thing. वो non-living thing है, वो बढ़ नहीं सकती है. Okay? Now and non-living thing cannot reproduced. Okay? आपने कभी ये भी देखा है कि आपके पेंसिल, एक बिग पेंसिल थी, एक न्यू पेंसिल थी, आपने सुबह उसके पास में और एक छोटी सी पेंसिल देखी अपने आप? नो, जब तक हम उसके पास में और एक पेंसिल नहीं रखेंगे और जितनी चाहिए, ठीक है? सो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैनॉट रिप्रोड्यूस्ड. Dear children, have you ever seen teddy bear? You are having teddy bear? This is your toy teddy bear. This is your toy teddy bear, and teddy bear eats anything? Have you ever seen? No. Why? Because teddy bear is, yes, teddy bear is there in jungle, but it is a toy teddy bear. And what? Teddy bear do not ask you about what? Give me a biscuit, give me a chocolate, give me a food, give me a water, like this question. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. But dear children, if you are having a pet dog, if you are having pet dog at home, so what? We have to give food to our dog. Why? Because dog is a living thing. Yes or no? Dog is a living thing. He moves one place to another. It can breathe. Yes. Breathing, yes or no? So, dog is breathing. Without air, dog also cannot live for a second. It wants food, water, whatever food we give to a dog. And that's why we say dog is a living thing. Okay. Now, like dog, cat. Cat also a pet dog, pet animal. So, cat also wants what? Food. It breathes. It moves one place to another, and it Dear children, animals, what? Living things reproduced. Okay. They give birth to their young ones. See, this is an elephant, and this is what? This is its baby. So, living things reproduce. Living things give birth to their young ones. Some birds lay eggs. Yes or no? जो हम देखते हैं स्पैरो है एंड क्रो है, पिकॉक है, वो क्या करते हैं? दे ले एग्स. ओके, EGGS एग्स. फिर उसमें से उसके चूजे निकलते हैं, उसमें से उसके बच्चे निकलते हैं. एंड सम एनिमल्स गिव बर्थ टू देयर यंग वंस. लाइक दिस इज अ बिग एलिफेंट एंड दिस इज इट्स व्हाट? बेबी एलिफेंट. यस और नो डियर चिल्ड्रन? Dear children,